What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Driver Mod. It's Anthony here. Got a quick little video for you today. We just got done making some changes on the FANATEC GT ClubSport cockpit, and I want to show those to you right now. As you can see, we got some open boxes. You can kind of see what we're about to get into right now. But we did install the FANATEC GT ClubSport cockpit side mounts. There's two of them right now, and they have these T-nuts in them. They come with the T-nuts, and then you can mount anything you want on the top, back, or bottom. There's channels for the T-nuts, and they mount on both sides. Really sturdy. Really super happy with those. Can't wait to get those integrated in the setup, whether it's going to be holding a phone for live streaming or a microphone or telemetry or anything like that. A switch box, all that, it's all on the table, but I at least wanted to get those on the sim. Now, moving to the sim, we got a PC tray. But I know what you're about to say. Anthony, you use a laptop. Why do you need a PC tray? Well, we are finally stepping up to get a PC tray because when we are running iRacing, that computer, as badass as it is struggling to put out 60 to 70 frames per second. And if there's a lobby of more than like 15, 20 cars, it really starts to lag out. So we're finally getting serious enough to where we needed to upgrade our hardware. So we've got a PC coming right now. We finished putting that together last night. Got it mounted. You can loosen these bolts and slide that tray. So if we have to move the hood, we can. But right now, the minimum size PC that it can fit, it looks like it's about, maybe like a foot by 2 feet there. So pretty good size area, nicely integrated onto the frame rails there, and really solid. And then the last thing we got, we'll just put it on the PC tray for. We got a load cell brake pedal, the CSL load cell brake pedal upgrade kit for our CSL pedals. Now, the awesome thing about this is we didn't have to upgrade our entire pedal set. You can literally buy this standalone and add them into your CSL pedal. And then what it does is it gives us 3 pedals now. So the current brake pedal is going to move over to the left, and that's going to become the clutch. And then the load cell brake pedal is going to integrate there nicely in the middle. So really cool. The CSL lineup of the FANATEC ecosystem is super modular, and I can't wait to get that on because this is going to give us more consistent braking feel, more consistent braking force, and it's going to make trail braking a lot easier as well. We're struggling to kind of get that fine-tuned with the little resistance that Hall effect brake pedal has. So it was definitely a necessary upgrade. We'll be making a video on how to install that on your sim rig on the Cars and Canards YouTube channel. So if you haven't dropped over to the Cars and Canards YouTube channel, or you didn't know we had a second channel, we recently started the Cars and Canards YouTube channel, and that is to go over anything motorsports related, whether it's on-track action with the Cars and Canards events, private track days, IMSA events, WEC, Formula One, and yes, sim racing. So definitely drop on over there and give it a sub, give it a follow, and go watch some of the videos and leave some comments. I would greatly appreciate that, you guys. But yeah, here's the little setup that we got going right now. Drop some comments down below. What's your setup look like? What are you looking to get out of this? And I look forward to seeing you guys out there. Take care.